Hey everybody, Adina Diaz here, your skincare guru, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I went ahead and I updated the butt acne video because there's a couple things I want to add in there, and there's a couple products that got discontinued. So obviously I want this video to continuously be helpful for you and knowledgeable of ingredients and products that you could be using out there to help prevent some butt acne. So first and foremost, butt acne is common. 100%, there is a lot of people out there, men and women, who do suffer from butt acne. There is hair back there, hair follicles, there's oil production, there's sweat production. If you are wearing clothes that are tight, gym clothes, pants that are dirty, if you are just naturally oily and sweaty, these are things that can happen and will breed bacteria, and you can get some breakouts. Especially after waxing, you can get breakouts, and even sometimes after laser hair removal, just because you have to shave the area first. So a couple things to know right off the bat: if you are going to the gym and you are working out and you are sweating, you need to immediately remove your gym clothes or wipe the area down before you go home and take a shower. So most gyms, most yoga studios, most CrossFit places, they're gonna have towels for you. That's the most basic, easy thing you can do. You can even grab a paper towel, which may be a little abrasive, but I would like you to have an actual towel, wet it, wipe the area down, literally wipe your butt. Just wipe down the sweat, wipe down the area before you get into your car and drive back home. It will make a world of a difference. If you can get even crazier with it, go for it and get some makeup wipe removers. I love the Pacifica Wipes. These are awesome. They're easy to use. You can stick them in your gym bag. They stay moist for a really long time, even after you open the original first seal. I grab one wipe and I wipe the whole entire buttocks area. I even wipe down my back if I'm not gonna shower at my yoga studio. I keep these in my gym bag. Another one that's gonna make a difference is dry brushing. I've talked about dry brushing before, and I absolutely love dry brushing. This one is awesome because of the long handle. I actually got this at Whole Foods, but you can get it on Amazon. You can get it, pretty much anywhere. This is the Earth Therapeutics. So this is an eco-friendly one. I love it because of the long handle, so I can get hard places. The back, I can get the buttocks, the back of the thighs. Dry brushing 1 to 3 times a week not only helps with circulation, lymphatic drainage, overall the texture, the smoothness of your skin, ingrown hairs, but it's gonna help kick away that dead skin cells. All the dead skin cells that get built up, that potentially the hairs that need to come through may not be properly coming through because they're trapped. So then you have hair getting trapped with dirt, oil, sweat, all on top of it, and you can start getting ingrowns and you can start getting pimples, breakouts. So dry brushing will be your best friend. Do dry brushing before you get in the shower. It's dry brushing, so you do it on dry skin. Always insertion to origin, meaning if I'm gonna go on my arm, I go all the way towards my heart. If I'm gonna go on my leg, all the way towards my heart. My back, up, chest, up. Always go towards the heart because that's circulating it through, and that's a better lymphatic drainage, and that's more circulation brought onto the area, therefore giving the skin more of a healthy, nice, glowy dew. So dry brush, awesome. Love it. Then I love me some good body scrubs. However, they're always so freaking messy. They get all over the place. I hate them in the jar. You gotta go in, it's all over the place. That's when Meow Tweet has the most amazing product in the world. This is Cinnamon Coffee Body Soap. I love how aggressive this feels. It's safe for the body, not for the face. No coffee on the face out there, just side note, people. It's way too abrasive. It's not in spherical spheres. It's in jagged little edges, so it's irritating to the facial area. This is a different universe. The body is a different universe than the face. But back to the body. This stuff has a nice, good, gritty exfoliation. It doesn't look like it right now when it's dry, but when this is wet, it is really aggressive. I love this. Coffee is stimulating, it's circulating, it's gonna help kick off the dead skin cells. So combined with the dry brush and this guy together afterwards, you're winning. Your skin is so smooth and silky, and it's gonna feel a lot more, texture-wise, it's just gonna feel a lot more smoother. Products are gonna go in deeper as well, your oils and your moisturizers. So speaking about moisturizers, Pure Bliss Body Cream, the bomb, Lotus Skincare, So freaking delicious. This stuff smells so amazing. The first ingredient is aloe. You're gonna also have rooibos tea in it, jojoba, olive oil, avocado, witch hazel for a little antibacterial stuff going on there too. Neem, rosemary, willow bark. I love, love, love Lotus Moon for 1,000 million reasons. But again, back to body products, there's an ingredient out there that I talk about all the time called dimethicone. It's in body lotions, it's in conditioners, it's in primers for makeup, it's almost in everything, and it is so clogging. No dimethicone. If you have dimethicone on your body and you're sweating and you're secreting oil, it is literally like saran wrap over the area. Nothing can go out, nothing can come in. You're gonna start breaking out. It's getting congested now. Then you're just out of the gym. You have sweaty gym pants. You have something tight against your skin. You have sweat, you have oil, and then you have dimethicone on it. Lord have mercy. It's not a good combo. So I love, love, love this lotion. It's delicious, it's hydrating. It's 80% certified organically grown ingredients. Yeah, it's a freaking delicious one. Then for spot treating, if it's already happened, if you didn't prevent it, couldn't prevent it, and it's up, there's a couple things that you can do. First, one of my go-tos here in the spa is the Lotus Moon Tonic Active. This is exfoliate, unclogged pores. This is a spot treatment. This stuff has a bite to it. You dip a Q-tip in it and you spot treat on the areas. What is the magical stuff in it that's gonna help is 3% salicylic acid. That is absolutely amazing. The grapefruit peel, clary oil. This stuff is super awesome and really does treat the area. It's a spot treat. It is killing bacteria. It's not for the full entire face or the full entire body. It spot treats on the areas. So if you do have a couple breakouts on the backside, go ahead and spot treat those areas. I do this stuff again at night because acids are attracted to the sun. So you want to do it at night only, and you don't want to do it before you go to the gym because it's going to be a little too stimulating. Then at night as well, I love the Blemish Control solution. This is salicylic and glycolic. It's in an aloe base, so it's not gonna feel irritating. And it's so smooth and hydrating, so you can pump a little bit into the palm of the hand and just slather it on the areas. I love to use this after I'm getting done getting waxed. And I will even use it in the bikini area, but just make sure that you're not getting in any of the open orifices. So you don't wanna get it like right in the vagina. You don't wanna get in the anus area because it will honestly, it will burn. You wanna avoid those areas altogether. But this is another go-to I love. So those are just some of the updated things about butt acne. I hope that answered some questions. I also love to add stuff at home, like light devices. My favorite go-to light device is the Lightstim. This is the blue light. So specifically, this is going to be for acne. Blue light helps kill bacteria. You can literally hold it on your bottom, hold it on your chest, hold it on your face. If you are going from bottom to face, please wipe it off with alcohol. Don't want to do that. But other than that, it's completely safe to use it on those areas as well and will make a difference. All right, guys, have a beautiful rest of the summer, I guess it is now. And thank you again for watching my YouTube channels. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please leave comments down below in the links or in the comment box below. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.